A prism is a triangular block of transparent glass. It is bounded by three plane faces. The first face is rough, which is called base of the prism. The other two faces are polished, which are called refracting faces of the prism. The angle between the two refracting faces is called angle of the prism, or refracting angle, or apex angle, and that is represented as A. So here in this diagram, A represents angle of the prism. For equilateral triangles, this angle will be about 60 degrees. Now let us see what is angle of deviation produced by a prism. For that, let us consider a prism ABC. The faces AB, the AC are polished, and the face BC is a rough surface, that is called the base of the prism. But light ray PQ is incident on one of the refracting faces of a prism as shown in the diagram, that is here. So this is the incident ray PQ, and QR is where ray it passes through the prism, and the emergent ray is RS. So if this prism is not present, this incident ray PQ should have traveled straight like this. Because of one plane surface here made of glass, it gets refracted like this, and this ray again is refracted by the second surface. So this is the emergent ray. And the angle of deviation is measured between the angles of this incident ray. It should have gone straight, and the emergent ray. So we should extend this ray backwards, and that will touch the direct ray here. So this angle between these two rays, that is called the angle of deviation, represented by a letter D. Here I1 is angle of incidence, and I2 angle of, here this angle of incidence for this ray. And R1 and R2 their way angles of refraction. The A is the angle of the prism, which is about 60 degrees for an equilateral prism. The angles of incidence and refraction of the first phase AB are I1 and R1. The path of light inside the prism is QR. The angles of incidence and refraction at the second phase AC is given by R2 and I2. So that is represented here, R2 and I2. RS is the ray which emerges from the second phase. So this is the emergent. And the angle I2 is also called as angle of emergence. The angle between the direction of incident ray and the emergent ray is called angle of deviation D in a prism. So